This is the money I have made from my Cryptomania app. If I just open it, you will see that I have on my available balance over $62,000. So now, let's say if I just try to convert this amount to Nigerian Naira. So let me just use our Soget exchange platform here. Okay, so you can see that on soget.com, the rate that I can sell my USDT or crypto as at now, the time of this video, is 1610. So let's say I simply multiply $62,000 times 1610. That will give me about 99,820,000 naira. Wow, so much naira. Finally, I'm a millionaire. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how I will withdraw this money from my Cryptomania app to my bank account in Nigeria. Alright, but before we proceed to cash out this money here, let me clarify a few important points about this Cryptomania app, because some people have been complaining that they cannot withdraw the money that they made from this platform. Others have even labeled the platform as a scam or Ponzi platform. So here is the honest truth. Cryptomania is a virtual trading platform that does not involve real-life financial transaction. The app does not allow you to withdraw real money. So all this money you are seeing here is fake money. Yes, all this money you are seeing here is just fake money. So just think of it like paper money. All right. So because Cryptomania is a platform created for educational purposes that can allow newbies and crypto beginners to learn how to trade crypto. Cryptomania app is just like a demo account that provides you with virtual money to practice cryptocurrency trading, so you do not have to risk your real hard-earned money. So you can see this money you are seeing here is money that I just made from trading on this virtual crypto platform here. So it's not real money. So now there are so many features inside this Cryptomania app that you can utilize in order to have full knowledge about how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and ultimately make profit for yourself. So remember that any money you make inside the app is just virtual money and cannot be withdrawn to your bank account in Nigeria. Do not listen to anybody that tells you that it can assist you to withdraw your money from your Cryptomania account. That person is a liar and most likely a scammer. If you are looking for a crypto platform or app that can allow you withdraw real money, then I would suggest you go for platforms like Bybit, BC Game, Deriv, BingX, or even Binance. These are real crypto trading platforms where you can trade with real money, make profit for yourself, and then withdraw to your bank account in Nigeria. I have done several video tutorials on how to make money from any of these platforms. Recently, I just posted a video on the channel 2 days ago on how you can cash out 10,000 naira daily from BC Game using a simple crash predictor strategy. Just check our channel here, Soget, to watch the money making video tutorials and start cashing out to your bank account. I will also leave register link to create account on any of these real platforms that I've mentioned. Just check the video description for those register links. So guys, I hope you've understand how Cryptomania platform works. You can use Cryptomania to learn and master how to trade cryptocurrencies, but you cannot withdraw any money you make from Cryptomania. You cannot withdraw to your bank account. So this is the update I'm sharing today, guys. So please like the video and support us by subscribing to our channel so you can be the first to know whenever we post more updates like this in future. Thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.